Hey, welcome to another episode of the Snapping Turtle Collectors Club. My name is Tremainithus. And today we'll be installing some STI engine mounts, gearbox mounts, and pitch stop mounts. I'll also be heading over to 3P Garage, which is a Subaru sort of wrecking yard. So I'll be basically a kid in a candy store there, trying not to spend too much money. So let's do it. Just went over to 3P Garage, got a mad wiper washer motor and a new cap. Had a look around, it's a pretty awesome shop. It's got a fair bit of stuff and the guys are awesome there. Alright, so firstly I'm going to change over the wiper washer motor and the cap because that's the easiest thing to do. Raise it up and then change over those mounts. So yeah. Alright, it's day 2. I went out last night, so I'm not feeling great, but I need to get this done. So yeah, definitely not going to be putting in the engine mounts today, but going to put the gearbox mounts in. I've got the pitch stop mount in already. I painted up the exhaust yesterday, so now that's pretty dry. So that's high heat paint, so hopefully that should last a little bit longer. It was starting to get a little bit rusted, surface rust on it, that's why I painted it. Yeah, and we'll put it all back together and hopefully it's a bit stiffer and a bit happier.
That's what she said.
Alright, that's the gearbox and pitch stop mount done. I'll tell you what, it sucks doing that completely hungover and with like a few hours sleep, but yeah, got through it. And now I'm going to drain the diff oil and put some, where is it? I'm going to put some 85 to 140 LSD gear oil into it. So we got the gearbox mounts in, they feel a bit sturdier, the pitch stopper and the engine bay. Coming up soon I'm going to be doing the suspension, and also I'm going to be taking the engine out and doing the head gaskets and head studs and that sort of thing. Getting it all ready, and I'm in the midst of organising a drift day. I'll probably be going to a wet skid pan first to test it all out, see what I need. Just get a gist for how the car's going to react when I start chucking into corners, and yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Driftsti.